Why do people trade Forex? For what? Money, guys. Everybody wants to make money. Okay. Then also we have what three type of Forex traders whereby we have the scalp, the day, the swing. All right. I hope that is well explainable. Then let's move to the next part where I'll be showing you guys the platform and how we trade Forex. Okay. So guys, we all use what TradingView to analyze what the chart to know where price is going to and all that. So TradingView is one of the best, all right, and it's the traditional way we have been using. But still, people still wonder how can we use it to analyze the chart. All right. So guys, we use TradingView to analyze the chart, but we don't take trade via TradingView. Okay. There's what we call broker. This broker is the like the middleman. Okay. Remember I told you guys middleman is one of the fun thing, all right, to do. So broker are the middleman between you and the market. All right. So you use TradingView just to see the overall picture of the market, like, oh, this is the market. So your broker is you that when time you saw your what you want to buy on the chart or what you want to sell on the chart, you use your broker. So broker is the middleman that will connect you to the real market. So that's why we have brokers. So, but I'll still you guys the broker that I use in a few. But now I want to keep it on the basics so you guys can understand Forex quickly. Okay, now you guys know about TradingView and broker. I'll show you guys how to sign up on TradingView in a few. So it's just simple. It's just you to go to your TradingView. I think I need to do that now for you guys. So yes, I'll go back and show you guys how to do it. So guys, the moment you open your TradingView, this is what you see for the first time. Okay, so I will offer you to sign in, right? You guys, it's for free. You don't need to pay for anything. You can see I'm already signed in already over here. So it's simple. Once you sign in, you get a summary like this, all right? Or you go to either your market, any area of your choice, all right? You can see the word broker. Okay, so you can go to any market of your choice and get in on that. Since I already signed in on that, I'll just easily click on any of my charts here, or you can open your charts via this section here. Okay, very easy and very effective. I hope you guys are understanding this now. Okay, so this is how the chart will be looking like. So guys, I hope you guys now understand how to open a trading view. Why for broker? You see where I clicked on the broker aspect. You can go online, search for broker, but I'm not advertising any broker, all right? So, and also there'll be a video below, there'll be a link below this video whereby you can go and watch my first video whereby I break down every tools you see on the screen about TradingView, all the tools. Because remember, I told you guys I want to make this video very easy and very simple for you guys to just understand it once, all right? So that even though you watched the old video, right, you'll be able to understand all tools on the platform and all that, all right? So what do you use broker for? Broker is the middleman between your TradingView and the market, all right? We use TradingView to analyze the chart, okay? Then we use the broker to execute our trade. Then there's what we call MT5, and yes, there's a lot of platforms out there, okay, just like MT5, but the traditional way we learn this shit is from MT5. Okay, we connect our MT5 to our broker, all right? And yes, the video will still on is still on the link description below. Okay, watch the first video, you understand how I open the MT5 and the broker, all right? So you link the broker to the MT5. Then once you link both, then you start taking the trade directly from your MT5, all right? Use your TradingView to analyze and use your MT5 to take the trade. Okay, so now let's go to what do we trade on the TradingView.